guys, we just made 640% trade crypto pumps for today. First of all, I want to talk about Bitcoin. There is a lot of members asking me about Bitcoin pump. Guys, don't get too excited Bitcoin. You just hit this line right here. This line called 200 exponential moving average is acting like a magnet. So right now, what you should do is nothing. Just wait. Wait for the price went down here and use this second line here as a support. If it doesn't use this line as a support, the price is gonna continue going down. But if you use it as a support, there's a good sign so Bitcoin can continue going up. Okay, trade recap today 640%. Let me show you the trades I share in the private list. We trade ARC, Alliance Block, Null Cipher, Serum, and Orca. Take a look at this, guys. How much money you just made here? Take a look on the 7-day charts. Our goal is to trade coins when the price go flat and pump. Price go flat and pump. Let me give you examples of how this thing is done. First trade recap is Orca. I shared this trade in the private list right here on January 12. We bought this coin for 47 cents, 48 cents, and you put a sell order right here, guys. 154. I made $15,000 this trade. I like to say welcome to our new members, James, Robert, Michael, Jennifer, and Linda. Guys, Jennifer asked me why I put a sell order right here. Jennifer, the way it works is my software is calculating volume spike plus buyer power. That's what you see here, okay? In order to put a sell order over there, I use the support and resistance at daily resistance, okay? But first of all, my software alert me when the pump, the volume start to spark. Let me show you. Let me make this okay right here. So I got a signal right here. You see right here. That's when the volume spark. If I start to move this chart, you're gonna see the volume better. See here? You see how the pump is here? So I got the signal right here on January 3rd. That's when the price start to pump right here. But I put a sell order right here because there was a big resistance daily. Let's go to a daily chart. That was right here. So that's when I put my sell order right here at 12 cents. Okay. Next trade recap, guys. Same strategy over and over again. Volume spike, buyer power, the coin pumps. Okay, that's the same strategy you use every single day on this channel. Share this trade in the private list on 12. We bought this coin for 18 cents and we put a sell order right here at 50 cents, guys. I made $17,000 this trade. Okay, next trade recap, it's Alliance Block. I just mentioned before. Same example. Price go flat, volume spike, buyer power, price pump. Most of the times the price pump because there is no sellers here, no sellers there. The buyer power is controlling the market. That's the reason the price pump. But I show you the same strategy. Take a look at these candles here. Volume spike, volume spike, volume spike, volume spike. So when I shared this trade in the private list was right here. We bought this coin for 0.044 and you put a sell order right here at 10 cents. I made 12,500 this trade. Some traders they made 130%. I don't know how much they put it in. Okay, 1 hour chart. We use a daily resistance for find the support. That's the support right here, guys. You see support. Sorry, resistance. There's a right. We put a sell order right here. Some members they get greedy. They ask me why you didn't put a sell order right here 14. You could make a more money. Yeah, you could make a lot of more money, but you get a risk that your order don't get filled, man. You never know how much the pump will go up. Okay, my software calculates supply and demand. That means I know I have a number in my mind. I can try to trigger the sell price. Okay, I don't have a crystal ball. I have a software work on my side. Okay, overall, guys, a lot of people are excited because Bitcoin is going up. Always is good, but in the main cryptos they all look the same, guys. This is some of my watch list coins right now. They are waiting for the buyer power. Okay, feel free to reach me out. Give me a like on this channel. Subscribe if you like to get those trades in real time. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. Feel free to reach me out anytime. My name is Daniel. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.